Alright, here we go. Today, working on the F150. It's sitting too low in the front. I don't like it. It's scraping. It's been doing that for a long ass time because I put Bilstein shocks on the front and left everything alone. So right now it's not high enough for these 34.5-inch tires. I think 2.7-inch lift springs, Eibach lift springs, with some strut mate tops. Hey mate,
we are going to work on the truck today.
Imagine how many push-ups I could do with these things. Just like bouncing like 3 feet in the air. Yeah, that'd be cool. Alright, enough of the bullshit. Let's get to it!
This ain't no Hollywood in
Hello, we are going to work on the truck.
Yo, Milwaukee. Hook me up with something bigger than this, man. Can't even pop a lug nut off. I love it, but it's lacking. You know what I mean? There we go. Yeah, this ain't gonna be no how-to video because there's probably like fucking a billion videos on how to do this shit. So I'm just gonna breeze right through it and then we're gonna pull it out and check how much lift we got. I don't know, just a cool video to watch. Stay tuned. Hey, if you like this hoodie, you know, you can get it at steadfastmotorco.com. If you want to support this channel, you can get yourself a hoodie, a shirt, a hat, a mug, but it definitely helps, for sure. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Let go. Where the hell did I put that wrench? Not over there, not over there, not over there, not over there, not over there. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over here. Hee Whoop! Oh yeah, baby! Got her out. Well, hi there. Gonna put this sucker in here. Well, since I'm learning as I go with the whole GoPro and YouTube, I had to put you on a chest mount. So what we're doing is we're running this down to meet up with the spring. Yeah, put that there, and get that over here. Run her down. Oh, looks good from here. Pop that off. Alright, we needed air. Let's try this. And she's out. It's all crooked and shit. Look at that. I bet you the ride quality, well, the ride quality kind of sucked. But I bet you it was because of this. So you're looking at this, it was on the highest notch. So that would be raised the most. But I think with these lift springs, I want to maybe go to the middle or all the way to the bottom. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, first let's see what's in the mounting kit box. The strut mate. Bing bong. Just tops. Tops and hardware. So everything's a damn mess. But I just looked at them and I have to move these all the way down. Alright, all the way down. Get the topper set on first. Topper! The kook or whatever from Outer Banks. Topper! Yo, man, I'm topper! What did I do with that nut, dude? Oh, shit, there it is. Damn, that would have been stupid. There's a lot of pressure on this fucking thing. Alright, got the top on. Got it all set. Had to compress the balls out of this spring. But we in there. In there like swimwear. I need to sit that down and do that one. Holy shit, dude. Look at all that rubbish right there. This was my problem here. Get all this spaghetti back in. It's done. Alright, this side's done. I'm gonna go do the other side. I'm gonna rotate the tires and all that stuff afterwards, so you don't have to see the other side. Alright, moment of truth. I think it's a little bit higher, but I think we're going to have to wheel it out there and measure it where we measured it before. I think that's the plan. I think I could tell by just getting out of it that it's higher, and it definitely looks higher. Because before, I forget what it was, but I'll have to look at the video. Clears by like an inch.